What's up, guys? Mopar Central, Want Gaming here. Today I'm going to be testing out all of my LEGO engines. Well, at least the miniature scale ones. So first we got the V-Twin. Then we're going to have the Inline 4. And a custom engine that you'll see later. 3, 2, 1. So it's not too special because it's got a little friction motor, which those don't really run forever. Alright, this is kind of hard to wind up, but here's the LEGO Inline 4. Sounds a lot different. Alright, this next engine is an H2 engine. But I'm not sure if it's going to hold together. Because it's way more complex than the other engines I've made. Yeah, like I said, I could try one more time. But maybe not crank it as hard. Alright. Gotta hold it by this long axle so it doesn't fly apart. Oh, hey. It actually ran decently. You know, let's do that again. Except this time, it's going to be closer to the speaker or microphone. Perfect. Now, just one more time because my finger is on the shaft connector. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. It took, I think, 20 minutes to make this video. Now. But my point is, it didn't take, never mind. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Because I might do this with electric motors, which will be way higher quality.